Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I'm going to teach you about right join in SQL statements. What is the right join? Why we require to write right join? See, similarly, our previous lecture we have discussed about left join. From the statement about to written like a join statement, like see here, RIGHT join. This is the statement of a right join we are going to write in SQL statement to combine two or more tables whenever we require. For this real-time example, I am discussing with you for two tables only. I am taking for a simple understand for the beginners can also easily understand about it. Right. What is the table name I am written here on the left side? This is called, it is in a left table. Okay, and right join TAB table B, it is in a right side table. And in this scenario, based on the right join statement, what it will do, the result set may comes from all the rows from this table, and what are the rows are matched from this table. See, once again I'll explain you first. The right join will do the combining two tables with all the table data rows from table B. Why table B? This is the right join statement. It will be taken care about right side, what the table name we have written in the right side of the statement. Clear? And all the data is from this table, and what are the database table rows which are matching from table A. That is the output it will comes. If the table A rows are not matching to table B, that columns will be make it as a null value, it will be treated, and anyhow the table B completely the rows which are available, it will comes as a result set. Let's see by writing. I hopefully you have seen our previous lecture, that is a left join. Similarly, the right join also will be seen. Like see, select star from customers. As you know that as an one is the big advantage in SQL statements. Whether you may write capital letters or small letters, it can be considered. It won't give you any errors in SQL statement, respective of any or DVMs. This is the SQL statements you are writing is an SQL language. The syntax is that should be perfect. It may be capital or it may be small. It can be treated and it can function perfectly, right? And now this is the video session which is enough for right join. Just write the statement of right join over here. And what is the table? Second one, it is an orders and treated as an as O and on C dot customer ID that equal to same thing. If you have seen that first session, first lecture, that is, if it is perfectly you understand about the first lecture, rest of the lectures are very simple and very similar. And all what it will be changed, the statement of join statement only it will change. That's it. And the functionality of the result set may change. What is the statement you have written here? Based on that statement, that result set will changes. Right? And now the columns I'm defining like taking as an alias name, C dot, and C dot customer name, and making as a comma notation columns, and O dot order ID, similarly O dot order date. That's it. In my requirement, my result set is sufficient for this columns only. Right? Now go over here to execute this query, and let's see what is how it is coming as an output. Yes, go over here, and if you have written the query statement is perfect. Now see here. See, you can see and you'll observe this. These are the columns are available in right side table, whereas these columns representation is not available on left table. See what I have discussed before executing this statement. If the column is not matching from the left table, it will comes with the null value. Let's see here how it is coming. Whereas if you don't want to see such data, just simply make it as a not equal to null from the customer ID of the table of this is. What is the table? This is the column from the customers. If it is null, if you don't want to accept such column, you just make it as a not equal to not null. You just simply specify this column and is null or is not null. That's it. What how it could be written like simply where you can apply where condition, that is the where clause we have to write, and right here that where class c dot, or I don't want to see this customer ID. See here, if the customer ID is null, I don't want that particular column. So I'm mentioning here where c dot customer ID and the space here is null. And go here and execute. Let's check. Check the manual correspondence. MySQL, this syntax is not permitting and it's not supporting here. Is let's use space null. Let's check it. The versions may differ. Sometimes it may support, it may not support. See, is null, it is getting a return, whereas is what I'm doing not is not null. What it will do now? Execute the code. Let's check it. Now see here, nothing. Means that order ID and these columns are not matching. Right? So based on like that, any other condition, if you want to check with this output with the right join, you check making this column condition where clause with the condition which you want to specify over here, and check the result set how you require. Similarly, all the joins can applicable. Where clause with the condition, all the columns like a inner join, left join, full joins, like making as a union, we have a specified all the things of joins we can pretend successfully we can write. Hopefully you got it about the right join. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.